Hi guys, so I'm just on my way out today to find some bits for an Aladdin bow that I've been making. Just try and grab it while I'm sat here. So this is the bow, and I need some tassels for it. So I'm on my way to my local Dunelm store to see what I can find, because my daughter Ellie, it's her birthday tomorrow and we're going to go and see the new Aladdin film, and she wants to wear the magic carpet bow because that's a favourite part of the film, the magic carpet. So we're just going to go to Dunelm and see what they've got, and yeah, I'll let you know how we get on. So I've just been into my local Dunelm store, and didn't really have lots and lots to choose from, but I did manage to find some of this velvet trim, like a burgundy colour. I'm going to do an Aladdin bow. I thought that would be good for his belt. And that one was, I got half a metre and it was £1.25, and then I managed to get some gold tassel trim and I got half a metre of that as well because it was quite expensive. It was £6 for a metre, so I got half a metre again, so it cost £3. This is the only gold tassel trim that they had with small gold tassels, so I'm going to snip those off and put one in each corner of the bow. So when I get home I shall add that to the video. I haven't done a video on how to make the rest of the bow. It's pretty simple. You can see by the bow how you do it. But yeah, I also picked up this PVC fabric, which is an offcut, meant to be £2.99 a metre. There is more than a metre there. It is a huge rolled up piece, and it's like a see-through glitter PVC, which I'm going to make some bows from, and put something inside it. And it's kind of in a rainbow coloured glitter, but that was £1.50 for a massive sheet of it. So I'm going to make some stuff with that, and yeah, when I get home I'll let you know how I get on with the bow and show you the final thing. So I'm going to drive home now. We are back at home now, and I've cut a piece of the trim that we've just bought. So this is the half a metre of the tassel trim we've just bought. I've cut 4 tassels off. I'm going to pull this piece out and then just cut it into 4 sections, and we're going to glue it onto the corners of the bow, and hopefully it'll make a nice tassel. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So here is the finished magic carpet inspired bow. As you can see, I have used sort of an embossed nice turquoisey blue pattern fabric there. Put some rickrack on the edge. This is a purple velvet, and we've used lots of gold. And then we've put these tassels in there. When you do it, try and make the inside look neat. It's never going to look amazingly neat, but where you pop the bits in, try and make it look as neat as you can in there. It is a little bit fiddly, and you do need to Try not to burn your fingers. I've made these ones a little bit longer, sticking out a little bit longer so that they can fold down like that when they're worn in the hair. But other than that, I think it looks really good with the tassels, just finishes it off. So yeah, you can do it with or without the tassels, both look absolutely amazing. And the Feltie from Emma Jo Felties, pop the link in that in the description. This fabric is from Mama's Bow Fabrics, I'll put a link to that in the description too. Got a group if you want to go in there and chat about those. Ellie Potts Bespoke YouTube. I'll put all the links to everything I've mentioned in the description. Hope you give it a try. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.